How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at the ultra slick, functional, versatile, and powerful Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. Let's take a look. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 is one of the thinnest and slickest laptops out there, and it also excels when it comes to performance and functionality. It's versatile, so it seamlessly fits into your lifestyle. In a box, you get a pocket-sized USB fast charger, and if you have another Samsung smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, for example, or the S21 Ultra, you can use that same charger so you don't need to carry extra cables with you. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 comes with plenty of USB-C ports to connect to your peripherals, all of them which also let you charge the laptop as well. One of the USB-C ports is Thunderbolt 4, so you can connect to your external display, which is great. This 15-inch model is wide and excellent for multitasking with more screen real estate to place your documents, for example, side by side. The laptop is super thin, and even when you look at it from the side view, it almost disappears. The hinge offers a sturdy movement, so when you poke in the screen, for example, it has a multi-touch display. You don't have to worry about that at all. There's no trouble there. There's also a micro SD card slot, for which I mostly use for transferring files from my drone to Lightroom for editing. You could also just use it as an expansion slot, in addition to that 512 gigabytes of built-in storage. As the name suggests, it's versatile, so you can use it in laptop mode for typing your documents, for example, on the go. You can also have intent mode, so you can use this for watching movies, or tablet mode completely. Now, you can imagine as a creative person, this is a great feature, as I can put it in intent mode to watch movies or showcase my work to a client, for example, in a public space, or I can have in tablet mode and use the S Pen, because this is also compatible with Samsung's S Pen. And you can use that to draw on the screen or use that touch screen to edit your photos in Lightroom. Talking about laptop mode, the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 has a great backlit keyboard with good key travel, and it's not too bouncy yet precise. I also like that its trackpad is a good size. It's quite large and very responsive, so you can use it for photo editing too. It also has a dedicated fingerprint sensor for security, which works a treat, and you also have quick shortcut keys to even adjust the laptop's performance when you need to. The design is not the only area where it shines though. It has a bright and vibrant display with 370 nits of peak brightness. Its Super AMOLED Full HD touchscreen display has 120% DCI-P3 coverage, and if you've used one of the latest Samsung smartphones like the S21 Ultra, you know how great the displays are. This is exactly the sort of experience you'll expect on the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. When it comes to its performance, it's powered by Intel's Evo platform, which offers 24% faster CPU and 87% faster GPU than the previous generation. Using that 11th gen Intel i7 1165G7 processor, it's no slacker when it comes to doing the work. Running multiple Chrome tabs, writing articles, editing photos, playing games with no hiccups is what this thing does really well, thanks to the combination of an excellent processor and 16GB of DDR4 RAM. And all the while, this will last a whole 8 hours, which is my working day. It has an integrated Intel Xe graphics that, when put through its paces, it performed really well. I was playing Forza Horizon 4 on it with no lag or glitches at all, which is great. Putting it through some benchmarking tools, it also came out with great numbers, making the Galaxy Book Pro 360 one of the laptops to really consider when it comes to your next purchase. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 comes in different configuration options, but this one here, which is the 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, will cost you £1,449 from Samsung.com, and you can also finance it with Klarna or PayPal credit, spreading the cost over 6 months. So that's it for the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. As always, let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any questions, drop them there as well, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. But in the meantime, if this is your first time around here, make sure you smash the like button, share it as well, and hit the subscribe and bell notification, so when I upload more videos like this, you get notified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.